I will show you how you can turn your HD monitor to 4K to make UI elements and text look better and more readable, and to optimize the viewing experience on Windows. For NVIDIA graphics cards, right-click on your desktop and open NVIDIA control panel. Under 3D settings, open Manage 3D settings. Look for DSR factors and set it to 4x. And then under Display, click Change Resolution. Under Dynamic Super Resolution, choose the new resolution you just made. And if the refresh rate changes, set it back to its original. Click Apply, yes. Go back to Manage 3D settings and adjust the DSR smoothness to your liking. 20% works best for me. Adjust scale and layout in Windows display settings if needed. For AMD graphics cards, right-click on your desktop and select AMD Radeon settings. Navigate to the Display tab and turn on Virtual Super Resolution. Adjust scale and layout in Windows display settings if needed. For any GPU, AMD, Intel or NVIDIA, download Custom Resolution utility, unzip the downloaded package and open up the app. Hit the Add button under Detailed Resolutions, and on the Timing drop-down menu, select Automatic PC and choose the resolution you want. For a 4K resolution, type 3840 by 2160. Adjust the refresh rate if it changed and click OK. Hit OK and restart your system. After you restarted your system, open Settings, go to System, open Display and change the display resolution to the one you configured in Custom Resolution utility.